Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're gonna open the grocery game. Your shopping gone rotten. And there's new. There is the Clean Team and the grocery gangs that have been cleaned up.
Yeah,
that look like rainbow.
Yeah, the red one is
and
the Clean
these
Team.
all of these are grocery gang normals. And there is 150 to collect. And I also have my elephant plate.
And you got two guards, the panda.
How do you see? The
got a panda
grocery
here.
gang versus the Clean Team.
Yeah, the grocery gangs versus the
What
Clean
does that say?
The Putrid Power. Putrid Power. I don't know what's that.
Putrid Power.
You want to unpack it now or what?
Yes, let's unpack it. I don't care. I don't really care what's going on. You see how easy it is to open? But that was so loud. Actually scared me.
What's inside?
We got this one. It's a skateboard, but gone icky. Right? So let's check out the flyer first. I'm dying to see what the flyer has. See the Clean Team. We can look at the Clean Team. The Clean Team is right here. And the grocery gangs have been cleaned up.
This is a limited edition.
Yeah, I want the limited edition, but we don't have it on this one. We have this one.
Yep.
That you can also fling. We should get those things out of here and then look. Whoa! Now let's take a look at the other one. I think we got a blender gone wrong. It's the soup inside the blender gone wrong. We got a crab gone wrong. I can pull his eyes. We got a cake gone wrong.
Yeah, it's rotten.
And we got mold gone wrong. What is that?
I don't
Mold?
know. Yeah, maybe.
Poopy.
Hey, we got a panda, two panda here. A panda cow and a panda. And a elephant.
Elephant.
Oh, okay, good. You love
So
an
I'm
elephant.
gonna do this.
And we got
because I like
3 more boxes to unpack. 3 more packs to unpack.
Let's do